How to lose weight even if you cannot stand the idea of cooking. The good news is that you can stick to a healthy diet without spending any more time in the kitchen or at the grocery store. Steps to take it home. Tidy up your kitchen. A sparkling sink and stovetop could make you want to hang around. V. Stock up on ingredients. Cooking is frustrating if you frequently find out that you lack the stuff you need. Keep versatile basics on hand like flour, cornstarch, mustard, and balsamic vinegar. Buy equipment. Gadgets make life easier. Try out a bread machine or rice cooker. Find out why people love their microplanes. Learn new recipes. Browse online for fast recipes. Borrow a book from the library. Ask your friends for their favorite easy dishes. Assemble instant meals. Some balanced meals require no cooking at all. Toss nuts and seeds into a salad. Add whole grain cereal and fruit yogurt. Rely on produce. Most fruits and vegetables can be served with little preparation. Steaming takes only a few minutes. Share cooking duty. If your spouse likes to cook, you can double up on laundry and yard work in exchange. Invite your neighbors for a weekly potluck and split the leftovers. Microwave more. Your microwave can do more than heat up leftovers. Cooking longer at lower power levels makes all kinds of dishes possible. Steps to take when you go out. Change your shopping. Try shopping in the early hours before work or visiting a farmer's market on weekends. Make a list. Writing out a list simplifies grocery shopping. You'll quickly grab everything you need and avoid making repeat visits for forgotten items. Stick to outside aisles. In most supermarkets, the essentials are laid out around the perimeter. You'll avoid getting distracted by 80 different brands of tortilla chips and sports drinks. Select the right restaurants. Your only vegetable options at a steakhouse may be green spinach or corn. Head to an Indian buffet instead where you'll have more selections that you can choose from. Study the menu. Master common terms. Grilled foods are usually lower in calories than fried foods. When you're ordering pasta, look for tomato sauces rather than cream sauces. Brown baguette. Cut vegetables and yogurt or a whole wheat pita stuffed with hummus make it easier to resist the vending machine or the fried chicken special at the diner next door. Carry snacks. Bring along your own food for the hours in between meals. A handful of almonds or raisins satisfy your hunger without a lot of extra calories.